Hello and welcome. Good evening, everyone. My name is David Valenzuela. I manage a website called Computer Repairs, PCs, and Laptops, which I will be showing you and demonstrating to you how you can go into it. Well, without further ado, I will begin. So the first thing you'll want to do, if you go to Google Chrome, you're going to click on it. I'm going to show you step by step. I'm going to type in google.com, and all you're going to do is just going to right click. That's my link, https://computerrepairs20.wixsite.com/website. I press enter, and it'll be the first one right here, Computer Repair Services, Computer Repairs DV. I click on it once, and there it'll take you to the home page. So as you can see on my left hand side, I have my business card there at the top. If you see here, Computer Repairs, PCs and Laptops, like us on Facebook. I really appreciate you guys. For those of you that have been following me, I do appreciate you guys clicking the likes and supporting me. Computer Repairs, PCs and Laptops, thank you for your support as always, and thank you guys for supporting me. My numbers, it's right there. My share, I could share it right there if you guys want to share it with your other people, co-workers, friends, and it says right there pretty much specific, what would you like to repair today. We have the recommendations there, we have the home page, the services page, the contact, the PayPal, and more. So as I scroll down here, guys, it says here, IT services, quality guaranteed. We are committed to customer satisfaction and know the importance of doing exceptional work. Our services have helped countless customers with their repair needs. Learn about what we have to offer below. Okay, and as you can tell, I pretty much designed it myself. Professional, reliable, and friendly services guaranteed. If I scroll down, kind of has like an image of a gaming. It's pretty cool. I think I enjoy watching, checking out people who game as well. Types of services, I added some GIFs, so it'll pretty much be attention getters. Maintenance, PC tune-ups. Our expert technicians provide all the services you need with dedication to the quality and efficiency. When you book this service, like all others, we guarantee you'll be satisfied with the process and result. Get in touch. Data recovery, IDE and SATA hard drives, external, more. Have a hard drive that you need to recover your data loss. We can recover lost partition or deleted files. Touch today to learn more about this service and all that we have to offer. On the third section, update drivers and installations. Windows XP, Vista 7, 8, 10, Home and Pro, Enterprise. Need drivers for your laptops or PC? We can update the latest Windows drivers. Feel free to reach out with any questions from our team, and make sure to call and schedule an appointment. Book your slot today. Also, we also provide software for Windows 32-bit and 64-bit. We also provide a service for removing viruses, malwares, and pop-ups. We also provide home and office networking. So for those of you that have desktops and laptops, we provide a services for you with the dedication to quality and efficiency. When you book this service, like all our others, we'll guarantee you'll be satisfied with the process and result, professional, reliable, and quality service. If a laptop or PC is infected, if you happen to have a PC or laptop virus, malware, or pop-ups, we can help you remove them and clean your system. We run updated antivirus software, remove all viruses. Networking and wireless, wired or wireless connections. Is your networking slow? We can check internet speeds, provide maintenance, make recommendations, and make your networking run smooth. Scroll down, computer repairs, PCs and laptops. We get the job done right. Do you have something that needs fixing? Computer repairs, PCs and laptops is here for all your repair needs. When possible, we use original parts for repairs, so anything you use to us will be returning to you in mint condition. Feel free to pick up the phone with any questions you may have. We're invested in customer service and are always so happy to help. Call 619-514-6681. So schedule an appointment. Thank you. I will show you a video here that I created, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. Check it out. there's my link. Awesome, guys. I'm going to scroll down where I left off, and I will continue to talk about all about our computer repair service, our story. Pretty much, computer repairs were founded in 2019. Since our first day in business, we have provided high-quality repair services to local residents in Imperial Valley. When possible, we use original parts in our repairs. With years of experience in our back, professional, reliable, friendly services. For those of you that are looking for a specific part, I added this little gadget here. Get a quote. You can type in your name, your email, your phone, select a service. If it's a quote, you want to get a pricing on a specific part, I can provide you with that. If you are looking for someone to manage and create a website for you, I can do that as well. For also maintaining your PC or laptop to provide maintenance and software installations. If I scroll down, contact us. Would you like any additional information about repairs, other related services? Reach out. We'd be happy to hear from you. Call, schedule an appointment. computerrepairs20@gmail.com. And here you can also type in your name, and we will look forward to hearing from you. QR code generator. This is pretty cool gadget that you can also use to copy and code generator. For those of you that testimonials, we have a couple of people that did, add to our links, that provided feedback. So really thankful for Jason Hizzle from VWE, Larry from the University of Phoenix, and Felicia Carter for making things happen. Appreciate you guys' love and support. If I scroll all the way up, again, thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I hope to hear from you, and if you have any PC or laptop problem, I'm more than happy to welcome you, and hope to see you soon. Take care, guys. God bless.